Hi, good morning, my dear students. How are you? In the last class, we learned first 6 question answers in the story of Billu the dog. Today, we will look at the rest of the question answers. Okay? Are you ready? Okay, all of you look the 7th question. If Billu approached you, what advice would you give him? Answer: don't worry, Billu. Show your master that you are not weak. Bark loudly. Okay, next question. What would be the fox's idea? What would be the fox's idea? Answer: don't worry, my friend. I will come to the field next morning. While the farmer and his wife working in the field, I will jump towards the baby. Then you attack me and save the baby. Okay, next one. What changed the farmer's attitude towards Billu? What changed the farmer's attitude towards Billu? Answer: Billu's help to save the baby. Okay, next one. Did Billu wish that this would happen? Did Billu wish that this would happen? Answer: certainly. Last question. Was the fox's idea effective? Was the fox's idea effective? Answer: yes, it was very effective. Okay, my dear children, write these question answers one time in your notebook. Write neatly. Okay, that's all for today. See you in the next class. Bye.